Hello there, this is Pallavi and you're watching my channel which is called as Programmer Chunks, and let me just give you a little bit interview. Uh, this channel is for giving you with that little chunks of code that make your life easy. Now that's all about the introduction of the channel. Now, in this video particularly you will know how to set up the Redux in your React app. Nowadays this technology is quite cool, and we in this chapter or in this video we'll learn how to set it up. So the first thing before going to the technicalities is to visit the page. So this is the page of Redux, and as you can see it is written over there that Redux is a predictable container. Okay, so using this Redux, you can maintain the state across the app, and pass the state among unconnected components as well. I mean, I'm sure those who are coming from React, they know it very well about regarding the concept of components, because React is only about components. Now, in layman's term, this is a centralized store that calculates the state of a particular part of the application based on the action types. Now, this action types, this is a new word, and we'll learn about that later. And usually, this action types, in a very simple language, are events, which is also similar to the CRUD of operation. Okay, so let's get started. So the first step is to, as you can see, I have my React application. This is a boilerplate I have already downloaded. So the next step is to install the Redux and React Redux library. Now the Redux library is the one which is actually the real library, and the React Redux library is a library that connects React components to Redux. So while it is getting installed, let me tell you a few of the stuffs what we'll do in this app. In this video, we'll just create a simple login system, and we will set up in the very next step. We will set up the Redux action types. Then we'll set up the action creators. These are the functions which take the action types and return the payload, and then the reducer, and above all, before we do all of this, we'll just combine all the technicality stuff in one store file.